In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request an Uber ride on the Uber website in Australia. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to uber.com. Make sure you're doing this while you're in your Australian transit area, since the site will use your location and show ride options that are available where you are. Once the page loads, take a moment to confirm that the location services in your browser are enabled if prompted. This helps Uber give you more accurate pickup suggestions and estimated arrival times. Next, enter your starting location and your destination. For your pickup point, you can type in your current location details or use coordinates if that's what you have available. Then, in the destination field, enter the address or street details for where you want to go, such as a location in Sydney or Melbourne. Be as specific as possible when entering the destination so the route, timing, and fare estimate are as accurate as they can be. If the website suggests matching locations in a drop-down list, select the correct one to avoid any confusion later. After that, review the ride options that appear on the screen. Depending on your location and what's currently available, you may see choices like UberX, Premium, or Taxi. Each option will display an estimated fare in Australian dollars, along with other useful information such as expected wait time, or the type of service provided. This is a good moment to compare the choices based on your budget, comfort preferences, and how quickly you need the ride. Once you've looked through the available options, select the ride type you want by clicking on the appropriate entry from the list shown on the screen. Make sure you choose the one that best matches your needs before moving on. If you're traveling with luggage or more than one passenger, it can be helpful to quickly double-check that the selected ride category is suitable. When you're ready, click Request Ride. After the request is submitted, Uber will begin matching you with a nearby driver. From there, you'll be able to track the driver's arrival using the interactive map on the screen. This live map helps you monitor the driver's location in real time and gives you a better idea of when they'll reach your pickup point. As a final tip, keep the browser open while you wait so you can follow updates easily and be ready when the driver arrives. And that's how to request and track an Uber ride through the Uber website in Australia.